How to delete invite message on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the message icon at the bottom, which will open all your messages. Now click on the message you want to delete, which is the invite message. Here, there's no one way to delete, so what you can do is click on the person's profile and then click on the three dots at the top right. Here, click on block. Click on block again. And after you block the person, you will find this kind of screen, delete option at the bottom right. Click on delete. Click on delete again. And the person's message will be deleted. This is how to delete invite message on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.